Hello everyone, welcome back again to my channel. Today I share with you this mouth-watering Ghanaian assorted meat palm nut soup recipe with you all. Yes, if you are thinking of making a typical Ghanaian assorted meat palm nut soup, then trust me, this recipe is best for you. And I know definitely after watching this video as well, you're going to love this recipe. If today being your first time on this channel, hello, this is Cooking with Efia. Kindly do subscribe to my channel and be part of this beautiful family. Let's get started. To start with, I will start by introducing my protein. So for protein of choice, I'm going to be using goat meat. I'm also going to be using cow leg or kotoje for this recipe. Moving forward, I'm also going to be introducing to you karo or cow skin or pomo. Last but not the least, I'm going to be using salted beef and salted pork. Moving forward to a pot, I'll go in with my fresh tomatoes, pepper, onion, turkey berries. I'll go in with some water, cover it and allow it to cook until the veggies is nice and very soft. Whilst we cooking the veggies, I'll go ahead and blend some spices which into a blender. I'll go in with some garlic, ginger and a little bit of onions. I'll go in with some water, cover it and allow it to blend. Moving forward to a big pot, I'll go in with my kotoje or cow leg. I also go in with my pomo, my salted beef and pork, and also my goat meat. I've washed and cleaned this meat very well. Next, I'll go in with some tomato paste, chopped onions, and to seasoning this, I'll also go in with some meat seasoning powder, a little bit of garlic, ginger and onion powder, and a little bit of salt as well. Use any seasoning or spices of your choice. I'll go in with more water because the proteins I'm using is a little bit hard, so you really need to go in with a lot of water to help cook your meat very well. And we are also back to check on our vegetables, and it's very soft for us to blend. While that is done, we are also back to check on our proteins. After 15 minutes of cooking it, I'll give it a gentle stir just the way you see it on your screens right now, and make sure every seasoning and the tomato paste incorporates very well. Yes, so afterwards I'll cover it and allow it to steam for extra 20 to 30 minutes on a high heat. Alright, so moving forward, I have my pounded palm fruit right here. I pounded it off camera, but I have a very detailed recipe on how to make palm nut soup on this channel. I'll leave the video link in the description box for you to check it out on how to pound your own palm fruit. Right, so I'm going in with some hot water to help extract the juice from the chaff very well. Whilst that is going on, let me also use this opportunity to thank you all my returning subscribers and new foodie members right here. You guys are amazing. Thank you for always liking my video, sharing and commenting on my videos, fam. I am very grateful. Thank you so much for doing that. All right, so after extracting the mesh from the palm fruit, it is all done. So I will strain it very well for about 2 to 3 times to get rid of all the chaff from it, just the way you see it on your screens right now. So when you see just a little bit of this chaff, this indicates that you have the perfect juice ever. So I'll set it aside and move on to the next stage. Alright, so moving forward, I'm going to transfer all these vegetables into my blender, and I'll blend until it becomes very smooth. Alright, so we are back to check on our proteins, and as you can see, it's looking all juicy and the stock on it has taken up beautifully, and that is what I'm looking for. So moving forward, I'm going to be pouring in my blended vegetables to it, just the way you see it on the screens right now, and I'll also go in with my extracted palm fruit juice, just the way you're seeing it on your screens right now. Afterwards, I'll give it a gentle stir. Just be gentle with it because the pot is already full. All right, so while that is done, I'll also go in with some prekese, a little bit of okra, because I'll be enjoying this soup with a lot of food. All right. And the prekese obviously is going to add extra taste and flavor to the soup, and the okra, we are going to be enjoying this with banku, fufu, or any swallow of your choice. All right, so now let's cover it and allow it to cook until oil settles on top beautifully, just the way you're seeing it on your screens right now. Our typical Ghanaian assorted meat palm nut soup is ready. It came out so good, very delicious, and very, very presentable, as you can see. So now all that is left is for us to serve ourselves and enjoy. I paired this with some banku. You can also enjoy this with rice ball, fufu, any swallow of your choice. You can enjoy this palm nut soup with it. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this assorted meat palm nut soup, and I'll be waiting for you in the comment section to read all your beautiful comments down below. Thank you so much for watching this video to this point, and if you enjoy to this point, that means you are always a proud foodie member. Do what to subscribe to my channel. Also turn on the post notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll be among the first person to be notified. Thank you so much and kindly stay blessed. Bye.